walking in the same way as I did, and missing out the cracks in the pavement, and tutting my heel and strutting my feet. Is there anything I can do for you, dear? Is there anyone I could call? No, and thank you, please, madame. I ain't lost, just wondering. Round my hometown, memories of phrase. Round my hometown, ooh, the people I've made are the wonders of my world, are the wonders of my world, are the wonders of this world, are the wonders. And now I like it in the city when the air is so thick and opaque. I love it to see everybody in short skirts, shorts and shades. I like it in the city when two worlds collide. You get the people and the government, everybody taking different sides. Shows that we ain't gonna stand shit, shows that we are united, shows that we ain't gonna take it. Shows that we ain't gonna stand shit, shows that we are united. Round my hometown, memories are phrase. Round my hometown, ooh, the people I've met, yeah. Do dilly da 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 da, yeah. Do dilly da 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 da, do 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 do, oh, yeah. Are the wonders of my world, are the wonders of my world, are the wonders of this world, are the wonders of my world, of my world. Yeah, of my world, of my world.
frightening scene in South Oxfordshire last night, captured on amateur video. The building you can see beneath the flames is Didcot B power station.
It was just after 8 o'clock this evening when Oxfordshire Fire Service had a phone call from a local resident in Didcot who said they could see flames coming from Didcot B power station. When firefighters arrived on the site, they discovered it was the cooling tower that was actually alight.
The plumes of smoke forced locals to stay inside, with their doors and windows shut.
There was some fumes. We put a precautionary message out there to the public. Obviously all smoke is hazardous in one way or form, but luckily due to the high winds it was dissipating quite quickly. We used the police helicopter and that was scanning and monitoring it in the very early stages of the fire.
Half of the plant had to be shut down, while 60 firefighters, 20 fire engines and 3 aerial platforms were deployed to bring the blaze at the cooling tower under control. Thankfully, nobody was injured, and RWE npower, who own the site, says it doesn't yet know what caused it to catch light, but terrorism and arson are being ruled out. Tom Turrell, BBC South Today.
Investigations are still ongoing. Crews will be staying on site all day long, and during that period in time we will work with RWE and our forensic fire investigators to see if we can ascertain what that cause was.
People may be surprised that these cooling towers are made predominantly from wood. What kind of challenges did you face last night?
Yeah, we faced significant challenges because wood will burn so readily. With the structure being made predominantly of wood, therefore as that structure burns away there is the possibility that the cooling towers will fall down on top of the firefighters. The fire could have been very serious, however thank you to the tried and tested plans that we've put together over the years in partnership with RWE, we were ready, we trained for these scenarios on this site, so we had the right people in the right place to deal with it, and we've brought it to a very quick, safe and successful conclusion.
We've been working very closely with the fire service and they've done a sterling job getting this under control so quickly and efficiently. As was said, we've got plans in place to make sure when this kind of emergency happens we work very closely with the services. It'll be a little while now until the fire service gives us permission to get in there and start the investigation and find out what went wrong and fix it. Well, the UK electricity sort of network it's got quite a lot of slack in it. There are a number of power stations. It's a dynamic beast. A lot of things can happen on the network like this. This is a significant one, but the power stations come on and off the grid quite a lot, and we're very sustainable. We can carry on. It shouldn't be a problem to any electricity going in the UK.